Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will see how we can create dendrograms in Tableau. We will see the making of two types of dendrogram charts. One will be a simple dendrogram and the other one would be with bars wherein the data is sorted into ascending order. Our output could look something like this. Here is the representation. I'll be using the same data set used in this dashboard for our video today. Now let's start with our first chart. Remember, I do these videos on data analysis and visualization on weekly basis. If you like what you see, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. So here is the data set wherein we have two columns, industry sector and response percentage as per industry. Now, in order to create a dendrogram, we have to create a union for this data set. Let's just drag the sheet on the existing sheet to create a union. Now, once the union is created, let's just copy the name of this sheet because we would be needing that in our calculation to create a dendrogram. Now, let's move to sheet 1 and start with our calculations. Now let's create our first calculated field that we would be needing to create a path. So let's call it calc for path if table name is equals to, remember the name of the sheet that we have copied, we will paste it here and we will say if the name of the sheet is this W410 else 200. We will check if the calculation is valid. Yes. Apply. OK. Now let's create the bin for this calculated field. To do that, right click on the calc for path fill and go to create, click on bins. In size of the bins, enter 1 and let's name it as path bin. Click OK. Now our next calculation would be for calculation for response percentage. So let's call it response percentage calc. And the calculation for this would be window sum of response percentage by 2, and we see that the calculation is valid. Click apply. OK. The second calculation would be to create a unique rank. So let's call it as rank unique for response percentage calculation that we have done. And we wanted it ascending order, so let's just add ascending. If you want, yes, if you want it in descending order, then if you want your fields to be in descending order, you can change it from ASC to DESC. Our calculation is valid. Apply. OK. Now the next calculation field would be for x-axis, so let's name it as x, and for that index -1 parenthesis into 0.12 minus 6. Let's check if the calculation is valid. Apply. OK. Now the next calculation is for for creating a curve. Let's call it as sigmoid. For this we will write 1 divided by parenthesis open parenthesis 1 plus exponent minus x. Let's check. Parenthesis close. Yes, the calculation is valid. Apply. OK. The last calculation would be for y-axis, so let's call it y and the calculation for this would be sigmoid multiplied by rank minus window max, again rank, plus 1, let's close parenthesis, divided by 2, close the parenthesis, whole divided by 100. Let's see if the calculation is valid. Yeah, so our calculation is valid. Now let's move on to the next steps. So drag path bin to rows, check if all the missing values option is checked. Yes, here it is checked. Let's change marks card to line, drag path bin to path, industry sector to colors, drag X to columns, drag Y to rows. On X right click, check compute using path bin, the same step for Y, compute using path bin. Now on Y, click again, go to edit table calculations. On nested Y, select industry sector under Y, and under rank again select industry sector and uncheck path bin. For the Y also do the same step under nested calculation, uncheck path bin. Now you can see our dendrogram is created. You can do the formatting as per your requirement. So that we can use the same formatting for our next sheet as well. So this is how your dendrogram is created. Let's just see add response percentage to label section, format it because we have the numbers in percentage already. So let's just custom it. And if you want the name of industries also on labels, add it there. And just do a little bit of formatting, and then you will see that your chart is taking that shape that you need. And that's it. This is how you create a simple dendrogram chart. Now let's move on to our next chart, that is dendrogram with bar chart. So for our next chart we will be using the same calculations as we have done in this for this simple plain dendrogram chart. Let's just duplicate the sheet and we can do further calculation in the same sheet. Let's just uncheck the mark labels as of now. We will rename the sheet as dendrogram bar chart, and let's start with our calculations. Response percentage calc to sum of response percentage by 2. Okay, next calculation is for total percentage, so let's call it as total percentage response percentage calc by response percentage calc 2. Click apply. Okay, in the other calculation for percentage is total percent divided by window max total percentage. Let this field the name percentage adjusted. Check if the calculation is valid. Apply. Okay. The next calculation field would be for size. So let's name it as size if x greater than equals to 6 and x less than is equals to 6 plus open parenthesis multiplied by percentage adjusted close parenthesis, then 1 is 0 n. Sorry, 10 into percentage adjusted. So let's just check if the calculation is correct. Yes, looks correct. Okay. Now the next step for us would be to move this size calculation to size card and click on size capsule, compute using path bin. Again go to size capsule, edit calculations, and in X path should be selected, and for percentage calculation path should be selected. Now for percentage adjusted, path and industry sector both should be checked. The same applies to response percentage calculation to path and industry sector both should be checked. Now you can see that this is how our bar chart is created. Let's just check on to our mark labels. For example, if you do not want this peak, you can adjust the height and width of your dendrogram. So by just click on edit axis, x-axis, check fixed. Instead of -7, maybe we can just change it to -1, and that's how it is created. The peak is reduced in its size, and again maybe after doing some adjustments we can see all the labels as well. So from end we can maybe increase it to 21 and see if this works. Yes, it does work. So this is our final dendrogram chart with bar chart, and this is our plain dendrogram chart. Hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.